Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a pumpkin skull. It is very easy and simple and for beginners. I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker, and I'm going to use a regular printing paper. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I am going to draw the skull face first, okay? Ooh, before I do that, don't forget, if you love Halloween and you love learning to draw simple drawings for Halloween, hit the subscribe button and definitely click the bell notification because that's going to let you know when I post. The cool part is when you subscribe, it's going to not only notify you about this year, but next year because I only post you like during the Halloween season, really. So you're like, oh, if you forget about it through the year, it'll just like, you'll start seeing notifications again next year. So it's pretty awesome. All right, so let's get started. Going over here, I'm going to draw this skull face first. Curve over here. Curve over here down. Curve here. Over here on this side. A little shape like that. And I'm going to curve in. Here. I'm going to curve in here. Going to fill this in. So we got these like marshmallow style shapes really for the eyes. Gonna go over here. Curve in. It's gonna be for the nasal cavity. Right here, I'm going to go to the skull part of the mouth here, and I'm going to draw just a straight line across, like so. Curve along one end here, curve along the other end, and I'm going to draw a straight line across here, straight line across here. Really simple stuff, right? Super simple. And I'm going to start breaking up the teeth here. Really easy, right? Really simple stuff. Come over here to this side, and I'm going to curve, or draw the outside of the pumpkin now, pretty much. I'm going to go here. Curve over here on this side. Curve over here on this side. And I'm going to draw the rivet portion of the pumpkin. Side of the cheek here, side of the cheek here, down, down. Kind of make it look more skull-like. I might even pull that in there a little bit. Just pull it into the mouth area. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to do the top part of the pumpkin, kind of that bubbling section. I'm going to go over here to the what do you call the stem? And I'm going to go curve up, down on this one. Okay, we doing good so far, right? Pretty chill. Whew. Like I said, I love Halloween. I'm actually going to go over here and I'm going to throw a line like so. Over here, like a line like so. For the side of the temples, as far as the skeleton part goes. You could even fill some of these in, actually. That's the cool part about it. You could fill these in. Over here. As well. Kind of make that thicker. Make this thicker as well. All I'm really doing is making that shape thicker. I'm going to go over here to the stem and I'm going to draw thin lines, and I'm not going to connect all of them, but that's obviously supposed to be, be the texture of that stem. And then lastly, I'm going to go over here and draw thin, remember, make it thinner, lines going down for the how the skull, basically how the texture of that pumpkin. Like so. Right on. And that's mostly it. That is the skull version. If you really want as well, you could even fill this whole area in and make it more skull-like. But that works. I hope you found that easy and simple enough. If you did, hit that like button. The like button really, really helps the channel out. Thank you so much. If you did like it, please hit that like. Also, I'm going to talk to you now about the giveaway. I've talked about it in every video, but this is a very large giveaway, I feel, so I really want to tell you guys about it. Basically, the first link in the description is going to be, for you as a gift. It is a free ebook on basically Halloween drawing templates. So, for example, it's based on past drawings that I've done here on the channel, and it breaks them down step by step in printable sheets. So everything is made to be printed. I know the PDF's 100 pages, so there's 100 of these templates. But what you can do is, if you want to print a couple out in the middle, you just press, you go to print, and then you put into your printing settings, which page you want printed out. Because 100 would be too many. But anyways, that is my gift to you. It's completely free. I used to sell this, but I just decided, like, you know what? Why not just make it free for everybody? It's like it's been there for a year or two. I think there's a tremendous amount of value in this, and I want to thank you guys for sticking around. That's my reward for you guys. And that's it. Go to that link and go click that right now, and it's completely free. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I will talk to you very soon. See ya. Wait a second, I forgot something. Before I say see ya. What I want you to do is I want you to comment, and I want you to suggest drawings for future videos. Because Halloween has a lot of things, but I'm kind of running out of ideas. So, throw some ideas in the comments, and I will try to see how many of them I can do. And even if I don't do them, I'm going to reply. But I'm pretty sure I will, because we want more ideas. We want to generate as much as I can. I want to post as much as I can during this season, because I'm only a seasonal channel, and I post mostly within the area of 3 months. And then I think I post a little bit on Christmas. That's kind of related to Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. But I also post very little through the year. So I do want to kind of just get those ideas in. So that's it. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, all right? And I'm going to be posting more than one video a day starting pretty soon, and that's it. Talk to you next time, and I'll see you soon. And have a good day. Later. Stay spooky.